Welcome to Get-Sudo. We're going to talk about Firefox version 84.0, which is the latest build. We are currently on version 83.0. We haven't updated it. The update of Firefox version 84 enables web render by default. Now the question is, what is web render? Built as a GPU-based 2D rendering engine, it's written in Rust programming language. And the purpose of the web render is to make the rendering of pages both smoother and faster. So the rendering of page should be smoother and faster by enabling the web render. But till version 83.0, web rendering was off by default. So we are currently in version 83.0, and if we want to turn on the web render and make our web rendering of pages smoother and faster, what we need to do is go to about config, click on accept, then search for gfx.webrender.all. Turned off by default, you need to switch to true. After that, you can type about support. This will bring you some basic information about your browser. Under the graphics section, you can see the compositing is labeled as web render. That means you have not enabled it. Now the rendering of pages should be pretty smoother and faster. That's how you do it till version 83. After the 84.0 update, it's already switched on by default. So the latest version of Firefox 84.0 is now natively supporting Apple's M1 CPUs. Thus the Firefox launches over 2.5 times faster and web apps are now twice as responsive. It's according to the Speedometer 2.0 test. So now we will also be doing the Speedometer 2 test here in Windows. We will compare with Firefox version 83. So let's start. Users also may encounter playback errors on encrypted content. So the way around to use Rosetta system software. Let's forward to the result. So according to Speedometer 2.0, the results we are getting is around 33.4 runs per minute. So as shown in my previous video, you would see that Firefox version 83.0 got around 27.6 runs per minute. So the page responsiveness and web apps are going to be much smoother in this version, that's for sure. If you haven't seen my previous video about Firefox 83, you should click on iCard and watch that video right now. Another interesting thing is that Firefox version 84 is going to be the last version which will support Adobe Flash. As you may know or you may not know that Adobe Flash is going to be dead. Adobe Flash, once ubiquitous technology, is going to be dead soon. So what that means is Adobe is officially killing Adobe Flash Player. You can check out this site. It is going to be in description box, and you can have all your questions answered here. So it says, since Adobe will no longer be supporting Flash Player after 31st December 2020, and Adobe will block Flash content from running in Flash Player beginning 12 January 2021. Adobe strongly recommends all users immediately uninstall Flash Player to help protect their systems. There are a lot of questions here, around 12 questions answered here. The first question is, when is the Flash Player end of life? EOL. The given answer is as follows. As previously announced in July 2017, Adobe will stop supporting Flash Player after 31st December 2020 EOL date. So what that means is any site which uses Adobe Flash Player in it is going to be killed after 31st December 2020. So as you can say, it's a site which is supporting Adobe Flash Player. It says we are sorry. So all these sites which are using Adobe Flash as their backup is going to be dead sooner. So the sites who are solely dependent on Adobe Flash now needs to move to HTML5 support at least. So the Firefox version 84 is going to be the last version which is supporting Adobe Flash. So we're going to now talk about Firefox for Android 84.2. We're going to see all the features and updates. So now we are on Android running Firefox version 84. So the first feature we have here is the grid view of tabs. To get grid view, tap on three dot, select tab settings, then select grid from tab view. Another handy feature we have got here is recently closed tabs option. So suppose if you accidentally closed any tab, to use it just click on three dots, click on recently closed tabs, and here you can find your recently closed tabs and regain them. And the final feature we're going to talk about is the delete option. Now you can delete your downloads from the Firefox download section itself. So that was all about Firefox 84 on Android. So that was all for this video guys. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, do subscribe guys. See you in the next video.